Fat Controller's engines love being filthy and dirty. It makes them feel silly. Percy often has the dirtiest work to do.
Ugh.
So washdowns are important to Percy. No engine shall have washed out. Percy was upset. I get dirty, he complained. I need washdowns. I don't care, he added, and left. On the way to Callan Station, the troublesome trucks teased Percy even more. Clickety-clack, don't look back. Dirty Percy's on our track. Don't call me Dirty Percy. When he approached the chocolate factory, his driver applied the brakes, but Percy's wheels just skidded on the oily rails. Oh no! Hooted Percy. Yuck! He groaned. I've never been this shit.
Percy was not addicted. One morning, he was very silly indeed. Ha ha ha! Showed him a train of dirty coal trucks. One day, Henry wanted to crash, but Percy was crashing to some engines.
One day, Percy puffed to the washdown. My toilet was clogged.
Who cares? Go away.
Percy sulked slowly away.
Go away.
Okay.
The branch line couldn't take his weight.
You're too fat. You need exercise.
Whoa! Fuck!
No one was hurt, but poor Gordon felt very silly. Duck and Percy enjoy their work at the harbour. One morning, the engines were easy, isn't it? With that, Diesel, as if to make himself quite clear, bumped some trucks hard. He banged the trucks hard into the buffers, but the buffers weren't secure. The silly trucks are dead. The Fat Controller held Clarabelle's door open when
The fandom.
she screamed.
The fandom.
Was cross.
Ah! That's it. That does it. I got a few things to say to you, mate.
Alicia Botti boarded the train when Alicia Botti screamed. And she screamed. She screamed so loud and so long that windows broke all over town.